with aftermarket. A little bit spur of the moment. And hopefully our buddy Sanjay with the RX-7 is going to be there. Should be fun. And I'm hoping the weather holds out. Fingers crossed. I'm also hoping my car doesn't get filthy from residual water on the ground from all the damn rain we got today. Just installed brand new speed camera. So I gotta do 50. Time is 7:20. Okay, so we got 10 minutes. 10-ish minutes. Maybe we'll go for a quick little drive. I can't really put any gas into it because the roads are wet, so kind of shit out of luck there, but at least you guys get to hear what the car sounds like. I've been trying to get this video done for like 2 weeks now. I'm either busy or it's raining. And it's been raining a lot more than I've been busy. So, I literally had to pick a day and then pick a solid time to do this photo shoot so that I could drive the car a little bit in between thunderstorms. So that's pretty shitty. And then somehow, some way, in the next few days, I have to get a video done with the Audi because I'm going away for a couple weeks. And if I don't, the channel's gonna be dead for 2 weeks. So, I don't want to start the channel off on a bad foot, right? This car definitely is a lot of fun to drive. Even just driving normally. It's a blast. Like everything, you feel the road, you're low, you know, you're sucked into the seat. Toyota did a perfect job with this car. I don't know what the hell happened after. Now don't get me wrong, I love the new Supra. It's cool. Beautiful car, fast. I just think if they would have put the iconic Supra wing and they would have kept this style of dash but updated, it would have been a perfect car for what they could do now, right? At heart, it's still a BMW. A big pet peeve of mine, I can't stand when you open the door and there's a BMW chime. That is so stupid. So stupid. Because I drive a truck normally, so like where I gotta go slow, where I can't go, you know, where I don't have to go that slow, I don't remember. I'm in a truck, it doesn't matter, you don't even feel it. And then you take the smallest little bump in this thing and your balls are hitting your chin. Not fun. So we beat the rain. That's a good thing. There's so many fucking people here, man. Masquerade. Might be pretty nice. Actually, that one's probably better. put it in the corner after, but good enough for now. All right. Our photographer's here.
How's it going?
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Oh, she's so pretty.
Filthy.
Hell yeah.
How's it going?
Good, how about you? What's up, brother?
Oh, wow. I felt like I was driving forever going up this.
I know. I had no idea there was 6 levels, to be completely honest with you. I was like, oh, I'm on the 3rd level. I thought I was up top.
There's a cop down there.
Is there? course. You gotta put Okay, so we got all the cars lined up. Lineup's looking sick. It's gonna be a nice shoot.